kamay.
BSC 12 event number 10, swimming lane 0, train of Malayan Tigers. Lane 1, Amanda of Santa Rosa City. Lane 2, Elaine of Compass Aquatics. Lane 3, Moira of School of St. Anthony. Lane 4, Rui of Treasure Charts. Lane 5, Amelia of Illustrate East Aquatic. Lane 6, Wong of Pasig City. Lane 7, Alicia of Beta Caloocan. Lane 8, Sophia Clara of Sharpedo. Lane 9, Candice of Compass Aquatic Swim Club.
Ang bilis ni Elaine! Oh, first in the hit yan. Wow! Yes! Ano ba time niya dyan? Ah, wala na. Lampas na siya.